Imagine you are merging onto the highway. You step on the gas, and instead of a smooth shift, the engine revs up, but the car barely speeds up. Or worse, it locks itself into one gear and refuses to shift at all. That is the dreaded limp mode. And if your scanner is showing code P2822, your transmission is crying out for help. This code specifically points to a hiccup with the Pressure Control Solenoid J. I know it sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, but it is actually pretty simple. Your automatic transmission is basically a hydraulic machine. It uses fluid under pressure to squeeze clutches and change gears. Those solenoids are the gatekeepers. They open and close to direct that fluid exactly where it needs to go to give you a smooth shift. When the computer sees that solenoid J isn't responding electrically the way it should, it throws this code. Now, this isn't something you want to ignore. A transmission that is slipping or overheating can destroy itself in a hurry. But before you start panic searching for a new transmission, let's look at the most common and cheapest culprit, which is the fluid. When was the last time you changed your transmission fluid? If that fluid is dirty, burnt, or full of gunk, it can clog up the tiny screens in the solenoid or mess with the electrical connection. It's like trying to drink a thick milkshake through a coffee stirrer. So start there. Pull the dipstick if you have one, or check the level. If it smells like burnt toast or looks pitch black, fluid and filter change might be all you need to clear that P2822 code. If the fluid is clean, then we're looking at an electrical issue. It could be a corroded connector on the transmission itself, damaged wiring from road debris, or the solenoid itself is just given the ghost. While diagnosing the internal wiring gets a bit complex and might need a multimeter, simply inspecting the external harness costs you nothing. Look for green corrosion on the pins or wires that might be rubbing against metal. Transmissions are expensive, but often these codes are triggered by maintenance issues we have neglected. Don't let a $50 fluid problem turn into a $3,000 transmission replacement. Take a look at that fluid today and save yourself a massive headache down the road.